they're gonna be telling you how to say Mrs., Miss, and Mr. in Bisaya. Now, I just want to start off with by saying this Bisaya not commonly used. It's more or less used in Tagalog. So I still want to make this video so that you know if you ever need to use it in a situation where you need to say, speak in Tagalog. Okay, anyway. Now to start off with, the way you say Mrs. in Bisaya would be Giang. There's the spelling. So, like, if you say Giang Flores, you're effectively saying Mrs. Flores in Bisaya. Okay, now next, for Miss, it's gonna be Giang. That's spelling. So, like, if you say Giang Diva and Giang Diva, you're pretty much saying Miss Diva in Bisaya. Now, you probably noticed something. It's that for like Mrs. and Miss, they both start with Gin. Whether it's a common in like all of them, they all start with Gin. But the only thing that makes them different is the ending, like the Ong and Mrs. and Ing in Miss. And now finally, for Mr., the Bisaya for that would be Gino. Oh, Gio. Not tired, so there's sorry. So you say Gino no Dowdy, you're saying Mr. Dowdy in Bisaya. Okay. That's pretty much it. Again, all of them are pretty much the same. The only thing is different, like the end. So like so again, Mrs. is Giang, Miss is Giing, and Mr. is Gino. And yeah, that's pretty much the end of the video. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. So anyway, I can make my videos better in the future. Well, that's all for today, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.